Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube videos, kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video as well. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can be able to send video message instead of voice note. You understand? I'm going to show you how you can do this on any WhatsApp, be it business or normal WhatsApp. But note, you can't do it on GB WhatsApp. Okay, alright, go ahead and open any chat that you want to send to video message to. Okay, and then double tap on this voice note icon down here. Double tap on it. As you can see, it has changed to video. Okay, alright, just press hold it and make video of yourself, record and send it to any of your friend. Okay, and the minimum record is 30 seconds. Okay, so this is very simple. As you can see it here, just press hold and record. You can also draw it to the left and cancel the recording, same way you do voice notes. Okay, so hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that, guys. Alright,